Millions of Americans are digging out after an historic blizzard in the Northeast. Rhode Island logged its biggest snowfall tally ever at more than 3 feet. New York City saw nearly 20 inches, the most snow there in a decade. Rena Roy has more from New York.
A massive bomb cyclone blizzard hammering the Northeast this week, and now the big cleanup is underway. The intense storm dumping more than 3 feet in Providence, Rhode Island, 37.9 inches, a state record, and the highest total anywhere for this storm.
This is not a quick cleanup. Recovery will take time, patience, and coordination.
Heavy snow and wind creating whiteout conditions. At its worst, the storm dropping up to 3 inches of snow per hour in some areas. Travel becoming treacherous, cars sliding out of control outside Boston, many getting stuck, including emergency vehicles. First responders and Good Samaritans joining forces to dig this one out. In New York City, trees snapping under the wet, heavy snow. Central Islip on Long Island saw the highest total in New York State with 31 inches. In New Jersey, Lyndhurst saw the most with 30.7 inches. Fallen trees and power lines knocking out power to hundreds of thousands of customers.
For me, it was like you either got to get our power on or plow, because we don't want to sleep here tonight.
Air travel also crippled, with more than 11,000 flights canceled since Sunday due to the storm.
Our crews have been out around the clock since the snow started falling Sunday afternoon. They have been out there clearing everything. We're making sure that, the airport is open, which it is, and that all of the surfaces are safe for passengers and, of course, all of the aircraft.
And unfortunately, we've got even more snow on the way here in the Northeast this week, which could make these cleanup efforts even more difficult. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.